In the Maps application that comes bundled with Windows 11, you can use drawing tools to measure distances and get directions. Find the location you're interested in on the map. Then click the Ink button to open the Ink toolbar. Choose the Measure Distance option, then draw a line from one location to another. This will show the direct distance between the 2 points. You can also draw along a path to get a more accurate measurement for your preferred route. To clear your lines, click the Eraser button, then click the arrow below it to open the menu and choose Erase All Ink. To get driving directions generated by the app, choose the Directions option. Then draw another line from the start point to the end point. The application will show directions and the total distance. You can choose between driving directions, transit directions, or walking directions.